Hi, first grade. Okay, we're going to do something super fun today. We are going to take a thing of socks, balled up. 6 red Solo cups in a pyramid on the dining room table. We're going to set the timer for 1 minute. You are going to try to throw the socks at the pyramid of cups, run down, and try it again. Now, you have to have somebody who's going to set the cups back up for you because you have 1 minute to see how many times you can knock down your pyramid. So I will be the cup picker-upper, and Jake is going to be the one to try to knock it down. Okay, do we have a timer? Ready? Yes. 1 minute. Ready, set, go. Okay, you got 1 point. 2 points. 3 points. 4. 5. 4. He gets double points for that because he knocked all of them off the table. So you get double points if all of your cups get knocked off the table. So what is that? 7? Because you got 2 points for the last one. Okay, so Jake's score is 7. We'll see what my score is. Okay, you're the cup picker upper.
Oh, so you just leave the cups here for me to pick them up?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna walk. Since I don't have to. Oh, wait.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Timer? Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Set. What? Wait over here.
It's 2. Three. 'See some sabotage going on.
Oh!
4. 5.
Okay, there's something to beat. I got 5, Jake got 7. You guys put it on Seesaw and let me know how many you get. Good luck.